Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in Amarilla Golf, and we're on actually Amarilla Golf course. There's a view just there of the golf course itself. Today we're looking at a one-bedroom apartment situated in a complex called Fairways Club. So let's have a look around. So as we enter the apartment here, on the left-hand side we've got the bedroom. Nice sized double bedroom. Looks like it'll be cool as well, with a small window there letting in a bit of light, and then well, 3 wardrobes there. So back out of the bedroom, and then on the left hand side we've got a new bathroom. The bathroom's been in about a year, with anti-slip tiles and fitted with a large shower tray as well, and a nice walk-in shower. So down this short hallway here, and then we're open out into the living area. So we've got a lovely kitchen. This was fitted about 12 months ago as well, about the same time as the bathroom was done. And then we've got this fantastic sofa, which is actually storage unit and a double sofa bed. So plenty of space for people to come and stay as well. And a nice dining table here. Now outside we've got this nice covered over terrace area, and some people have actually closed off this area here with French windows and made this area another bedroom. So it's a good idea for people if you want to perhaps do any sort of rentals or something like that, because this could be a sort of an independent type bedroom away from the other bedroom, and then if one would have use of the bathroom down the other end. And then we'll still have this area here, this grass area, which has this nice view out onto the golf course. Not too sure what number tee that is, but anyone that plays probably around 9 or 10. The only reason I'm saying that is because I think there's a pub around the corner called the 9th Hole. So that's our one-bedroom apartment in Fairways Club in Amarilla Golf. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.